Unia Dinatemwa, and I said, Canada. Name pa Canada, and I thank God, sir. Wakaname pa Canada. Name pa Canada.
Kwabena now Parker.
Safo. Why? What is the president doing to us? It's becoming too much.
You feel disappointed?
Not disappointed. Ghana must move on.
Now Parker,
no Sa esana ye twana wo ye pe na man yourself for na say de fato ho ba and I understand we cry to 1 year and I could for 2 years and I so developing this country has been a problem because the issues are solved politically. Gender ministry, such a sensitive, relevant ministry. Adom all this while. Why can we put in an acting minister? No one can say acting minister na Brasem and idiom or 3 franc ojase. Water and sanitation is here pa. What Omanhene side?
Oh, now what you find about?
Yes, sir. On no me good so no. We are there such a ministry. Loaded sir. Mr. President, Adabraka.
But Kwabena Ebinum so say she's a mother.
Oh, please. Please. Don't go there.
She has a reason.
And then I'm going to one cast about and pass over job at Juma. Which is no. You have to come. What do you mean? Now we don't have children, we don't have kids. You book mine. You buy a tea and yana me buy 9 years. Now only maybe I'm about the TBS is here. Why? Don't let us entertain these things. A sensitive ministry like a gender ministry, especially when the department of social media, na yanka say joy FM4 and na dinki tanwa or yeah or two I am piasa Ghana for. Me fa honin the slang so okay.
No, but she says she hasn't abandoned the party.
My brother, Mr. President, you are you
hasn't abandoned the party.
Please, Mr. President, you have just not been fair to us as Ghanaians.
No, Adwoa say on the president, Edim Komo.
Because
the president is her boss.
That's what I'm saying. That the president reports to us. The president reports to us. One may president because of Adwoa Safo. He became a president because of a lot of Ghanaians, no, and in the party, and to Obama. He's accountable to us.
Immediately she returns, she's coming back to take up her job.
I don't know what you want to achieve this morning, but clearly you are getting me upset because the Ucha Sasa way to Onuma. Ucha Sasa way to Onuma. And also Sasono, Minunya will have the effect. Ucha Sasa way to Minunya and also Saso. It is like Okachem said Jubilee House, in Nippon 995 near more. Omanhene essence say beneficiaries of corrupt system no. Problem by and so we are Kasa 1 year job the next administration bet to us West. Jubilee House engagement no from John Ejekum Kufuor me role in the film. John Ejekum Kufuor Atamils, John Dramani Mahama, Nana Dankwa Kufuor. How have we solved that problem of political appointees at the Jubilee House? Obiaba are benefiting from the system. Please. How have we solved that problem as Ghanaians? Also Jubilee House workers here 995, political appointees here 337, and so what? The country should solve the problem. We solve problems politically. Problems are solved politically in this country. That is why results. No, we continue to be beneficiaries of the corrupt system. They say, let the status quo remain. Status quo, we are developing in circles. Please.
There's a comment here on Facebook. Let me guess him now because you're number 1 fan. Kwabena you're prophet and come to me abudi.
Meaning say piaga.
I see, Safo has disappointed us. Omanhene Kwabena Asante, when you mean show more fire, piaga.
We always have to serve the Ghana cause, not individual and party cause. That is what has brought us this far.
Yeah.
Me sorry?
Yeah.
Now me kai Ghana for you say who bibi a enko ye more minor. Titu ye bambo ho asem.
Can be.
Can be.
Yeah.
Omo ba ti say asofo, omo ba ti say NGO, omo ba ti say journalists, omo ba ti say businessmen and women. Baby abobo chenku anase omo hwe baby ani pani osa no. Me say omo bibia, ka bibi.
Kwabena na pe mama nko fubu afu pa. It was deliberate. You know say atena. In fact, I have been able, I've succeeded in upsetting you with Adwoa.
Me that's it. Vodafone cash. BVB Legends Ghana tour.
Nana question was CJ. You are not only upsetting Omanhene Kwabena Asante, but a whole lot of
Mama no was. Mama no was.